How?
Oh!
And I'm keeping my eye on the ball.
Oh, the ball went inside.
And
Again!
save spot! Namaste guys, we are back with another amazing baseball video, and today what we are going to show?
Today we are going to react to MLB 1 in a trillion moments once again by sporting videos. So please share your love on their channel and our channel as well. So please subscribe to our channel, like our video and share it with your friends who are keen on knowing more about baseball with us.
Yes, so without any further ado, let's just start the reaction.
When Joyce was taking BP with a small ball. Watch this. The ball lands back in the machine. We'll see it again in slow-mo off the top of the cage.
The
Chico
ball landed
Chris
once
Fernandez
again.
watches it go right
Whoa.
back in the machine and it fires
That's
a
what
strike.
I'm saying. The ball once again landed in the machine and it throwed it back again.
Yeah, and moreover, this is such a one in a trillion moment.
It is one in a trillion moment that you can't plan this. It can happen anytime and you can't repeat it also.
And moreover, I don't know what it is. Like is it before the game? Like people are practicing, and it is that sort of scenario.
Maybe it can be some sort of like we have in cricket. We have net practice that where bowling coaches throw balls through machine and you practice it like that.
But
Or
also-
maybe it can be a
Yeah.
outside the stadium. There are some fan parks where people try and play and move their basically
try their skills, yeah.
hands on baseball. So it can be like that also, or maybe like in malls we see there are in for cricket there are smash parks
Yeah,
where
yeah, yeah.
you can play cricket in front of bowling machine.
Yeah, but what a start out to this video.
Joe said, Chico, what are you doing? He wasn't ready. And
Donato slaps a ground ball to third. Alvarez and
What?
the ball just
How?
fell
How?
apart.
I'll just
Alvarez.
see the
ready.
ball he hit.
Donato
the ball is
slaps a
fine.
ground ball to third. Alvarez and the ball just
The ball
fell
is torn.
apart. Oh my
The ball fell apart
I've heard of hitting the cover off the ball. I've never
because of the cover.
Maybe
The cover came off.
The cover came off. Maybe it was not stitched
Properly
properly.
stitched. Yeah.
The-
Or maybe because it was hit in a specific way where the stitching got like
It
yeah,
got torn.
yeah.
You ever
Never
seen
seen
such a
that.
thing?
But what happens over here? Is it considered as a dead ball or what? Because if looking at how the ball was thrown, probably he could have been run out.
Yes, he could have been run out, and in cricket, basically, if these type of things happen, it is
Majorly,
rarely.
it never happens
I
in
have
cricket.
never seen in cricket
They
that
changed the ball.
They change the ball. The ball gets out of shape in cricket, but never happens like this that the cover is torn apart
Yeah.
or the
It
stitches
only
have
happens
fallen
in
apart.
gully cricket, by the way, when we used to play near our house, and when some players hit the ball in a very harsh manner, then the ball gets torn off. And apart from that, because we don't have enough money to buy more
Professional balls.
Yeah. So basically, then only these kind of scenarios we have seen in cricket. But over here, what happens? Do tell us whether it is considered as a dead ball or what.
I'll tell you, when he threw that baseball, I thought it was a bird. You can see it
Okay,
right there.
it was torn off after the ball got hit only.
I'll tell you, when he threw that baseball, I thought it
Caught
was
the
a
ball.
Yeah,
bird.
it
You can
was
see it right there. The cover was off of it.
Cover was off.
Did his best to throw it to first
that
base.
moment.
I think it was not stitched
Alvarez
properly. It
saying,
was
what am I supposed
manufacturing
to do with
defect.
this?
Because in baseball, we have seen like the umpire has a lot of balls. The ball gets changed. People can take the ball home. But in cricket, we have only one ball and which can be changed. Also, there are like
and
different
that
rules
should
now.
the ball which is being changed, it should be specific. The condition of the ball must be similar to the older ball.
Yes.
That how many overs it has been played.
Yeah.
It should be that old only, so that it doesn't affect the ball, because in cricket new ball and old ball has very different effects in the game.
And moreover, the thing is that the whole thing that we were comparing the baseball and the cricket ball. So in cricket, the ball actually hits the ground. It hits the deck and then comes to the batter.
Yes.
Okay. So that ball has a lot of beating to take from the batter also, from the ground as well. And over here in baseball, the ball gets changed and it doesn't even have to touch the ground when the pitcher has to pitch the ball. Okay. So
Because in baseball, it has nothing to do with the pitch. There is
yeah.
no pitch.
There
It
is no
field.
pitch. Yeah.
So it has nothing to do with the pitch. In cricket, pitch also plays a very major
vital role, yeah.
Weather also plays a very major role.
yes. Absolutely. So, I mean, this is probably a manufacturing defect only because I think most of the times the baseball is played with a new ball only.
Yes.
Or new sort of a ball.
Donato just knocked the cover off the ball on a grounder to third.
How about that?
Oh!
Is that a catch?
Yeah,
Is
I have
that a
seen-
catch?
Is that a catch or what? But
Please let us know.
I have also seen this kind of scenario in cricket where like
If the
sometimes
ball
it gets
gets stuck in the
between
helmet.
grill and the helmet. Yeah, but is that considered as a catch? First, let us know about that in the comments.
Ball never hit the
It is
ground.
very
Foul tip,
dangerous,
2
by the
strikes.
way. That's why
Yeah.
these helmets are very important for the wicket keepers batters.
Yeah.
Because we have seen there is one Indian cricketer, Sabah Karim. His eye got affected because he got hit because of the ball, and his career ended after that.
Yeah,
because he
absolutely.
couldn't
So
play.
it's very dangerous, specifically for the keeper.
Ball never hit the ground on a foul tip, 2 strikes.
Ball never hit the ground. Foul tip, 2 strikes.
I got it.
I got it.
And I'm going to keep my eye on the ball.
And I'm keeping my eye on the ball.
I think Matt Williams is
Like people say, na, don't remove your eye from the ball. Keep your eyes on
Keep
the
your
ball.
eye on the ball. Yeah.
Watch the ball properly. He is watching the ball
He's
properly.
watching the ball properly.
2-1 against Baltimore this season. And a swing and a foul tip.
Foul tip.
Usually he's kind of unbuttoning his uniform, swinging at a ball, but right here it's just kind
Oh, the ball went
Perfect.
inside.
Aeronautic.
It only happens in cricket like the ball went
It's-
goes inside the pad.
pads and
Because the
gets
pad
stuck.
had these kind of openings so that batter can move properly.
And
Otherwise,
we have seen like wicket keepers and batters having friendly banter when the ball gets stuck
Yeah,
in the
it's
pad
stuck
and
in the
they're
pad.
trying to take a catch, but
Yeah.
it is not considered as
not
a catch.
considered as a catch. Yeah.
Sound on your way down.
Yeah,
Oh,
they did
this was Rishabh Pant
Rishabh Pant moment.
This is Rishabh Pant
If you guys
moment.
don't know, there is one cricketer, Rishabh Pant. He often throws his bat in the air
Yes.
while playing the shot.
So in cricket, basically, you have to properly grip your bat in a very specific way, the way you play. Some people actually take their bat and hold it very tightly to take some stroke. But some people actually take a very loose hand and then they play with the
Because
shots.
with the loose grip, you can hit ball to a longer distance
Yeah.
rather than a strong grip. So there is a difference. The way players play,
yeah.
specific player, their playing style depends on their grip also.
Yes, absolutely. So I think in baseball, majorly they have a loose grip or hard grip.
Because
Do
they
let us know about
are
that.
targeting the home runs, I think.
But whatever the situation is, do let us know in the comments. And by the way, also subscribe to our channel to pour us some love. Okay, we are bringing you such amazing videos. Just put that
Show
effort,
some love.
your effort as well on clicking the subscribe button. So let's
And
go.
it doesn't take too much effort.
Yeah.
Only. It is just one press.
One press.
Subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. Yes, who all love baseball.
Not spinning around. They said most people
Oh, the bat got stuck in that
You know what?
net.
This is your opportunity to rock climb right now and go get
This
that
is
bat.
your
The
opportunity to rock climb. Okay, I will just hear the commentary again because the commentary
Is
I
also-
really love baseball commentary. I am a fan of baseball commentary now. I would say that.
Please let us know who is your favorite,
favorite
baseball
commentator.
commentator.
Yes,
Please let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Sound on your way down.
Yeah, they did compliment me on not spinning around. They said most people did. Like that.
This can be one in
You know
a
what? This is your opportunity to
trillion
rock climb
moment.
right now and go get that bat.
bat getting stuck in the
Michael
net.
Saunders did that. He's right there.
I don't think that bat's coming down.
It is not coming.
We've seen.
0-1.
Oh, that advertisement board, I think, went inside.
In cricket also we have seen like when there are cars displayed or some vehicles displayed as an advertisement on the ground and ball gets hit on the on that
Windshield,
car
yeah.
windshield or windows and it gets cracked, so it is considered as a good thing and
It's
people
a- yeah.
enjoy it.
Yeah, it's a good omen. People enjoy it. I don't know what people say when it hits the advertisement board. Although I have seen one advertisement of some beer company where the ball gets hit in the advertisement board and it gets something was there, some advertisement sort of thing I have seen. But let us know if you were part of that
Some
movement.
or we have some unique kind of advertisements
Yeah.
in baseball.
Exactly.
Watch this. Boom.
Oh, what happened? What was
Pick it
that?
up and watch this. Boom.
This was powder, I guess. Some sort of powder they might have there so that they
So
can
for the proper grip
so
and
that
all.
they don't have a lot of moisture in their hand. Even in cricket, people actually have like a soil sort of thing put near the lineup of the bowler.
near the crease so
yeah.
that they
Hmm.
don't get slipped or because sometimes when it rains in cricket and the pitch gets a little bit
Yeah.
moist, so the bowlers actually it gets very difficult for them to land on
yeah,
that area,
yeah.
and they can cause themselves injuries, so
Yeah.
that's why they put some oil so that there is proper grip for them.
Absolutely. I think this powder is just for
It's twice.
the hand.
So they're
throwing
waiting
hand.
for another Rosenbach to come out. Opening day, April 1st. Watch this. Same thing. Against the hip. The old exploding Rosenbach trick. And that's opening day. That thing was hardly used. Yeah.
That thing was hardly used.
Yeah, it is another manufacturing defect, I guess.
He gets fisted and fights it off toward the Angel dugout. It's strike one.
What happened?
Again, slapped that way. Same spot.
Same spot.
2 times in a row.
In the Angels dugout.
Yeah, that's right. Dave, don't
Once
do
again,
anything wrong after the
Ashutosh,
game.
what do you say? It will
I
happen
don't
once
know.
again.
I don't know.
He has taken
Hey, with
glove.
the 2 pitch. Same.
And same spot. And this time he was prepared.
He was prepared. He is going only. I don't want to sit in that dugout.
He's targeting me.
He's targeting me.
Whole team shifted.
Whole
to
team
that.
shifted.
Whole team shifted that side.
Oh, mercy. How about one more?
One more.
We get Joe Dragon going just a little harder.
Oh God.
0-2.
Again it went
Again,
there.
4 times in a row.
4 times in a row.
Same place.
Same place. Oh my God. But well, these were some really amazing videos, and I mean, I cannot tell you how much I really love baseball commentary. It is just top notch and over the top. These moments, Sahil, what do you want to say about these moments?
So these were some amazing 1 in a trillion. The title says it correctly that these are 1 in a trillion moments. Nobody can repeat it or try to repeat it. They can't be recreated unless you are using green screen.
Exactly, and moreover, these sort of scenarios actually happen in cricket also. But the way it happened in baseball is kind of more funny to see, because see, in cricket, majorly whenever the game actually happens, everything is like on like this kind of a scene where people can actually die playing cricket. So we take measures so that nothing goes wrong. Over here, I mean, I don't say like baseball is not like deadly or something like that, but
It could be
still-
if that guy was not wearing that helmet, that keeper was not wearing helmet. It could have been deadly for him also.
could
So
could have
baseball
been.
can also be deadly.
Baseball can also be deadly, but the way these moments turn out to be, it were very funny. And which was your favorite moment?
My favorite moment was that bowling machine one.
Bowling machine one?
Because it was not only 1 in a trillion. It can never happen again, according to me. If he tries a trillion times also, it can't be repeated.
It can't be repeated. And for me, the most funniest moment was the one where that ball actually got stuck inside the grill of the helmet, and the way the commentator actually executed it, like, I'm keeping my eye on the ball. That was like very funny thing for me. So I mean, the combination of the commentary and the game makes what baseball is today, which is very popular in United States and the other parts as well, wherever baseball is being played. But do let us know in the comments which were your favorite moments, and if you like this video, please show some love by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing with all of your friends, and let them know that there are these two fellas who are actually reacting to baseball videos and making sure that these baseball moments and whatever baseball is teaching us is reaching towards the different parts of the world.
Of course, and you can consider us your online friends.
Exactly.
So please subscribe to our channel and show your love, and whatever your opinions are, tell them in comments. So please show your love to us.
Exactly. So for the moment, we'll say goodbye, but we'll be coming back with another exciting video.